Hey, what's up guys? Tonight we're going to review the steps that are involved when pairing your BMW's HomeLink system to your garage door opener. So I'm going to get the car out of here, set up a ladder, stand by, I'll show you how things are done. Okay, the first thing we want to do is remove any old codes that might be in the system. To do this, we're going to hold down buttons 1 and 3. This process can take anywhere from 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, we see our LED flashing right now. We can let go. Move on to step 2. Next, we're going to take our garage door opener and we're going to press the primary button or secondary buttons depending on which one you're going to program. In this situation, we're going to be programming the primary button. And what we want to do is hold down that button at the same time that we hold down whichever button that we want to program here. So in this situation, we're going to go ahead and program button 1 to work with this garage door. So to do that, I'm going to just press them both at the same time. You'll see it is now flashing rapidly. I'll let that go. Okay, next you're going to want to come to your garage door opening receiver. Inside of here you should see a button that says Learn, Program, Config, something along those lines. So here we've got a purple button that says Learn. So what we're going to want to do is just hit that quickly. If you hold it down, it'll reset everything in the receiver. So just hit that quickly in this situation. And now it's ready to learn. Now, here's a catch here. I'm going to end up redoing this. This particular system only gives you 30 seconds to get back to the car and complete the process. This took me a few times because I didn't realize I only had 30 seconds. So now that I know, I'm going to do it again and quickly run outside and program it. Okay, now that we're back in the car, we're just going to go ahead and pair it. And there it goes. And back up. One thing to keep in mind, you do have to hold the button down for maybe 2 seconds. It's not as quick as maybe your normal transmitter that you have in the car. So just keep that in mind. At first I didn't think it worked, and you just hold it down a second and it goes. So that's it for now. Hit like if you found it interesting or informative, and subscribe if you want to hear more. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.